Welcome to LearnWise Go. This video tutorial will show you how to import user accounts using an Excel spreadsheet. Importing users using an Excel spreadsheet is a great way to import many users at one time or to edit existing user information. To get started, go to your user list from your menu sidebar. Click on Import next to the Excel spreadsheet icon. Upload your file. LearnWise Go will read the first cell in each column of your spreadsheet, and these will display in the left column. LearnWise Go fields will display in the right column, and you will need to match the columns from your spreadsheet to the LearnWise Go fields. If you have fields on your spreadsheet you do not need in LearnWise, choose Do Not Import. If you have existing records that you have made changes to, you can check Overwrite Existing Records. Then click Begin Import Process. You will be notified of any accounts that are not created and the reason for the error. Here are some tips for this process. You can use any Excel spreadsheet. You are not required to use an approved template, but it is a good idea to label your columns with a good heading name. If you are using this spreadsheet to put users into a group, please make sure that group already exists in your system. The spreadsheet is limited to putting users into one group. If you would like to send the user emails in his preferred language, you can include a language column and list one of the 9 system languages for that user. All users imported with active status will immediately receive account emails and be able to access the system. If you do not include a column for account status, users will automatically be created as active. Thank you for checking out this video tutorial on how to import user accounts using an Excel template.